Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel again. This is a home of fashion where I do teach how to cut and sew varieties of style. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut this beautiful A-shape gown with chest stone design in a very easy way. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button now so that whenever I post a new video, you can get notified. Now these are the measurements I'll be needing for this dress: my chest line measurement, my round waist and the hip line, and the length of the dress. So this is the fabric I'll be using for this tutorial. Mind you, the length of this dress, the total length is 60, but I measured 62. That means I have 2 inches for my seam allowance. So now I'm just going to unfold it. So I folded this fabric into 4. This is into 4, so you can see 1 2 3 4. So right now I'll start inserting my measurement. So I'm taking my chest line length, from shoulder to the chest, then from shoulder to the round waist, then from there to hip. But I'm not going to mark that now. This is just the 2 lines I'll be measuring for now. So I'm just going to place my ruler to rule them out, just like this. So having done this now, I'll be taking my shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 18 divided by 2, divided by 2, that is 9. So from there I'm just going to connect to my chest line this way. So I'll come down by 1 inch. That is going to serve as my shoulder slope. Then from there I'm going to locate the middle point of this and make a curve there for my armhole. So right now I'll start inserting my measurement, my body measurement. The round purse is 50 divided by 4 to have 12.5. Then 46 divided by 4, that's 11. Then the rounded hip length side, the hip is 52 divided by 4, that is 13 inch. So mind you, I've already added 2 inches to all these measurements for the ease, because this dress is not going to carry zip. It's just a free A-shape gown. So right now I'm going to connect all these dotted marks together to the hip side. Then from there I'm going to, so from here now I'm just going to place my wrong ruler this way. Just going to place it like this to roll out to the end of the dress. So having done that, I'll start taking my neckline measurement now. The width of the neck is 4 inch, while the depth is 7. So I'm going to just connect it together. It's a kind of V shape neckline, but not a sharp V. So I'm just going to slit it to mark out the back neckline this way. I measure 2.5 inch. Just going to connect like this. Yes. Then I'll mark out my shoulder slope this way. So I'm just going to start and cut it out. So I'm going to start from the downside. So this is what I have gotten. This is it. So right now I want to draft the chest design, so I'm just going to set the back piece aside first. So I'll just measure from the shoulder now to around 6 inches, then from the shoulder to 15 inch, make a point there. Then from that point I'll connect to the 6 inches I measured earlier, just this way. So I'm just going to cut it out. This is it. Then I'm going to cut like 2 inches loop that I'll be using to do the design. So I'm folding the fabric this way. This is 2.5 inch. Just going to cut it out. So I'll be cutting it into 2 pieces. Remember, it's on fold this way. I'm going to use it on fold. So right now I want to cut the sleeve. The sleeve is just a short, simple, basic sleeve. Just watch me cut it in a very easy way. I folded my fabric like this. I'll be cutting it together. I'll be cutting the 2 sleeves together at once. That means this fabric now is folded into 4. I'm just going to confirm the round sleeve measurement. I think it's too wide, needs more adjustment. So the total length I need for this sleeve is 12, but I measured 13.5. That means I added 1.5 inch for my seam allowance. Just going to mark it to know the wrong face. So right now the round sleeve is 7, but I measure 8.5. Then I just roll it out in a slant manner. Then from the upper side I make a curve like this, and I confirm the armhole. Just like this, very simple. So I'm still going to make a pleat around the hem of the sleeve like this. Then I'll be showing you how to do that later. So right now I'll be cutting a facing for the necklines. Just place the one I cut from the front piece of the dress earlier. Just place it on it like this. I'm gonna make sure it's very equal. You just mark it this way. This is just a simple way to cut the facing for your neckline. So I'm going to emend it and use it to turn out the main front neckline like that. So I'll be doing the same thing now for the back piece of the dress. Yes, I'm just going to place it on it like this. So I'll emend it and use it to turn it. So having done all this now, I'll be taking it to my machine to show you how I'll be sewing it. Let me just give a little illustration on how it's going to be. I'm going to fold it like this. Remember I told you some folding. I'll start pleating just this way. Around before I'll now place the one that's the chest piece. Before now I'll replace it. So I'll take it to my machine now to show you how it's going to be. Alright, now I'm on my machine. As you can see, I've already folded the strap and top stitch on it so that it can be easy for me to plait it. As you can see, just going to continue this way. So when you reach this side, just gently curve your hand. Just continue like that to make sure that all the pleats are aligned. So right now I'm just going to gently place it from the V shape and start stitching it. I'm going to turn the other side also. And gently, as you can see, Just need to be very careful so that you can still get that V shape when you don't stitch. And continue stitching also. So you're going to locate that V point and make a notch there to make it relaxed. As you can see, this is it. See the way it came out. So for the sleeve, this is the right face. Then I started from the wrong. I'm going to start the pleating from the wrong side. Then I'm going to continue pleating. So right now that I'm done, I'll turn it to the right side of the fabric, just this way. I'm going to measure like ½ inch or 0.5, then I'll run a stitch on the plate. That is where I'll be arranging my stone later. So you do the same thing to the other sleeve. So you can see how beautiful it's coming out already. You see how beautiful it is. So right now I'll go ahead and do the stoning both for the sleeve and the chest. I'll come and show you. Alright guys, as you can see how beautiful this is looking. Oh, I love this. As you can see, blinking. So this is the sleeve. Just going to place it this way. So right now I'm going to place the back piece on it. And I'll join it, fix the sleeve and complete the dress and come and show you the final look of it. Alright guys, as you can see, this beautiful A shape with stone neck design is ready. As you can see how beautiful it came out. Just that my client is not here. Could have loved her to rock it for you guys to see it. Thank you so much. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first person to catch it. God bless you. See you in my next video.